Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can record Minecraft in OBS without black screen in full screen, as you can see here, like I'm recording right now. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and then you need to look for cubes without borders and then click on the Modern or CurseForge, right? Then you need to go to versions, then you need to select game versions and select the latest one. And then select the one with the fabric indicator here. Press download, save it to your desktop. Next thing what we need to do here, you need to go to fabricmc.net and download Fabric Loader for Windows. And then you need to download Fabric API. Press on Fabric API, download it, save it. Wait for a couple of seconds, save it to your desktop. And then if the file is unverified, just download the verified file, don't worry. There will be no viruses here. Then when you have these three files, make sure Minecraft is completely closed and then press on Fabric installer. Then you need to select latest version here. If you're getting error while installing this means two things. Minecraft is completely not closed or you don't have Java 21. So you just need to download Java. Then you just need to launch the game. Then you need to go to Java Edition, Installations, then look for Fabric Loader. Press, if you don't see it, press on Modded here and you'll see. Press on Open Installation folder. Then go to Mods folder. If you don't see mod folders, just create new one. Just press New and name it Mods. And then you just need to drag and drop Fabric API and the second file, cubes. And then you just need to load Minecraft through Fabric Loader here. Once the game load up, go to Options, go to Video Settings, and then under the full screen, make sure to make it borderless. Press Done, and it should be no black screen on OBS. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.